breakfast. Go on. How do you know you don't like it if you won't try it?
The lords are presenting their sons as suitors for your betrothal.
I suppose a princess just does what she's told.
Merida, this is what you've been preparing for your whole life.
No, it's what you've been preparing me for my whole life. I won't go through with it. You can't make me.
Merida!
Why didn't you?
I don't know. I couldn't.
That's not an answer.
Why is this so important to you all of a sudden? Oh, I love it. I was a coward. I was weak. I wouldn't...
You said wouldn't that time.
Okay, whatever.